Imagine there's no humans. It's easy if you try. No animals below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the creatures living in the tree. Imagine there's no reptiles. It isn't hard to do. No snakes or lizards flexing, or turtles passing through. Imagine all the animals climbing every tree. You may say I'm a bird, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday we fly together and annoy everyone. Imagine no more fishes, no salmon in debate, no tuna forming unions, no sharks controlling fate. Imagine all the creatures living in the tree. Imagine cats and dogs unite while parrots loudly speak. A panda cancels everything, a sloth delays a week. A kangaroo throws punches, a llama spits on trends, a goat screams opera loudly, a cow drops tracks again. You may say I'm a bird, slightly unhinged, it's true. I hope someday we fly together and throw some shade at you. A lion claims he's royalty, a tiger acts polite, a wolf starts group therapy, an owl works night shift nights. A fox is being sneaky, a deer just runs away, a bear is stuck in traffic, a bee demands more pay. A hedgehog sells designer spikes, a bat sleeps upside down, a penguin runs a nightclub, no shoes allowed in town. A horse is running HR, a zebra brings the style, a giraffe sees everything first and judges all the while. An octopus runs 8 jobs, a crab walks sideways still, a lobster flexes muscle, a shrimp just pays the bill. A raccoon builds an empire from shiny things and trash. A squirrel runs the banking world and hoards away the cash. Claws, paws, wings and teeth, chaos underneath. Roar, chirp, buzz and screech, nature out of reach. No humans left to blame.
Everything's insane.
Everything's insane.
Everything's insane.
Hands control the workflow, beetles run the trains. You may say I'm a bird, floating wild and free. I hope someday we fly together in total anarchy. Imagine all the creatures living in the tree. Let monkeys start a government and steal democracy.